So defense attorneys for Sean Diddy Combs finishing up cross-examination of one of the rapper's ex-girlfriends now. The defense questioning the woman testifying under the pseudonym Jane about the period of time when she testified her relationship with Combs started to deteriorate. Attorneys for Combs also focusing on a 2024 trip to Las Vegas, where Jane testified that she flew with another famous rapper. Now, earlier, the defense asking the judge for that rapper to be identified, but the judge agreed with prosecutors that revealing more about the trip would be a pretense to attempt to harass and intimidate Jane, the witness. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all charges. Let's bring in our civil attorney, Tre Lovell, joins us now to parse down what's happened so far today. So what is the defense trying to get at exactly by focusing now on the end of this relationship between Jane and Combs?
This was a relationship. She loved him. She benefited from it. She wanted to be in it. She may not have liked these freak-offs or hotel nights. She may not have liked certain aspects of it, but she consented to the relationship, whether it was good or bad. That's what the defense is getting into. And the problem with the prosecution's case is their main witnesses are girlfriends who were with him for extensive period of time, and that just harbors and infers consent. And that's going to be the biggest obstacle that the prosecution is going to have.
So why does the defense want the identity of this other famous rapper revealed?
I'm sure they want to potentially, have him as a witness, have him come into court, testify in terms of that weekend, because, Jane was there. I think her and Sean Combs were broken up at the time. So she was there with somebody else, which certainly implies freedom. She had a choice to do what she wanted to do, wasn't under his control all the time, and would help their case. So I'm sure they want to talk to this rapper and even have him be a witness potentially.
So what approach do you think the prosecution will take with Jane on redirect?
They're going to just hammer down that, hey, she had no way out. He was holding finances over her. He was holding this love. He was using it to force her to do these freak-offs, to have these sex acts. And even though she loved him, he used that against her. And that constitutes the coercion and the force that they need to prove for sex trafficking and ultimately for the racketeering to get those predicate acts.
Tre, thanks for tracking the trial with us. We appreciate it. And for more, you can also catch our show, Burden of Proof, the case against Diddy, every night, 5:30 Eastern, right here on ABC News Live. And for more, we also have a podcast with Brian Buckmeyer, Bad Rap, the case against Diddy. You can get that wherever you get your podcasts.